Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to access more filters on Snapchat with the help of Lens Explorer. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Tap on anywhere in the screen to enable filters. Now swipe left or right to browse through different filters. If you want to access more filters, tap on Explore on bottom right corner. And here you will see many filter options. Tap on the filter you like. You can tap on the favorite button at the bottom of the screen to add this filter to your favorites. You can also do that by tapping on the I button on the left hand side and tap on the star button, and this lens will be added to your favorites. Now let's go back. You can also search for filters. Now let's search for pilot filter. I'll select the first one. And that's how you can access more filters with the help of Lens Explorer. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.